In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add recordings to playlist and create playlist folders. To begin, make sure you are inside your workspace and looking at the main navigation. Go to Sales, then find and click Coaching Playlists. This is where you organize call recordings into curated playlists for training, coaching, or reviewing best practices. First, you will create a folder to keep your playlists organized. Inside Coaching Playlists, click New Folder. A small window will appear where you can name the folder. Choose a name that clearly matches the purpose, such as a team name, a topic, or a coaching theme, so it is easy to find later. After you enter the folder name, click Create. You should now see your new folder listed and ready to hold playlists. Next, you will create the playlist itself. Click Create Playlist. Enter a clear specific name for the playlist, so it is easy to recognize at a glance. Then select the folder you just created, so the playlist is stored in the right place. When everything looks correct, click Create. At this point, you have the structure set up, a folder to organize content, and a playlist that will contain the recordings. Now it is time to add recordings. Look to the top right and click the Recordings button. This takes you to the area where recorded calls are listed. Scan the list and locate the specific call you want to include. When you find it, click the name or title of that recorded call. This opens the recording page, where you can review the call and confirm it is the right one before adding it to a playlist. Above the recording player, click the plus Add to Playlist button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the playlist you created earlier. Take a moment to confirm the correct playlist is selected, especially if you have several with similar names. Then click Add to complete the action. The recording is now saved in that playlist, inside the folder you set up. Repeat the same add process for any additional recordings you want to include. And that is all there is to it.